Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable animated album artwork on the lock screen on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So to enable this option, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, then scroll down to the apps tab. So let's tap on that, and then we're going to find the music app. There it is, it looks like this. So let's tap on that and scroll down to animated art, tap on that, and enable the option. You can select Wi-Fi only, so the option only works on Wi-Fi, or you can turn it on indefinitely, so it always works. And now if you have Apple Music, and unfortunately this works only on Apple Music, but if you do, the cover art should look something like this. So as you can see, you have this full screen of the animated album artwork, and as you can see, it's animated, it spins, and it looks pretty nice. And do keep in mind that this works only for the artworks that are supported. So in the Apple Music, if the album artwork is animated, it will look like this. And if you want to enable or disable this album artwork, you can tap on the screen to disable it, or tap on the square right here of the album artwork to enable it. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.